like a gentle sprinkle.
Okay, so yesterday's video, auto wipers, I saw a lot of people commenting on it and thought we should do another test, especially with what everyone has talked about. So today we are doing another test with David. We have the other camera set up right there to get the windshield. This camera will be on the inside, and then I'll have a GoPro with me. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the hose out. We're gonna spray that camera. Then we're gonna go around and spray every camera on the Tesla to see exactly if we can find out what's causing the rain wipers to go off. And David also has tape, so we might try taping if we find the front does it, to see exactly if we can figure out which one's doing it. But this will be a lot more intense, I guess you can say, than yesterday, because we actually have the hose out today. Didn't have it out yesterday because it was already dark and it's already been winterized, but for you guys, we're gonna unwinterize everything and try this out. But let's just jump right into this.
One comment we had was that we were in park, and that's one reason why the wipers weren't working quite as well as they should have been. So today we were going to put it in drive. I have the car in drive. Oh, I don't have my seatbelt on. Maybe I should do that too. Though we're not planning on going anywhere. Okay, so we've pulled up the release notes again. I've put it in drive. I do have it on hold mode, so I don't have to hold my foot on the brake the entire time. Eric is out there getting the hose ready, and we are going to try it again. I have them right now. They're totally off, so nothing's going to happen. We have it in auto option 1, and Eric is going to try to spray it all over the windshield, and I don't know, let's think it's going to work the same as before, but we'll see. Oh, looks like we got... Did you turn on the water? I don't know. Oh, there we go. We have water. We have air in the line, I guess. Haven't used the hose in several months. Hasn't been hooked up. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So, definitely going more than yesterday, but we were just using a spray bottle, so it's definitely working. Okay, now I'm going to switch it to Auto 2. Okay, now Eric's going to try the camera on the front right turn signal. Oh, there we go. Yeah, definitely that's a heavy rain. It's definitely working in heavy rain. Yes. Now he's going to try another camera, the front passenger side. And we're not expecting anything to happen there, and it doesn't.
Nope.
And he's going to try the one on the B pillar on the passenger side, just to confirm nothing's going on. Pretty sure nothing's going to happen on the rear camera either. Oop.
Nope.
So yeah, nothing happened to those. So that's why we were pretty certain that it's the cameras on the front center.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now we're doing a test. We tested all the side cameras, the rear camera. Pretty sure those weren't involved with the auto wipers, but we're going to now cover up the front wipers with some masking tape and try them out. And I'm going to turn it on. Auto setting 1, auto setting 2, nothing. So obviously the cameras up front are involved in auto wiping, and spraying water at the exact same intensity as before, and the auto wipers aren't running. So now we're going to remove one of the pieces of tape. Okay, so now Eric is removing the tape from the camera that is on the passenger side. And we have the wipers are still on auto setting 2. No wipers. So it doesn't appear that that camera is involved. I think this is a pretty thorough test. Okay, Eric. Now he was going to be removing the tape from the camera on the driver's side. And again, no wipers. So it looks like it's probably the center camera that's going to be responsible, at least now, for the automatic wiper functionality.
I'm gonna remove this one. Oh!
So there we go right there. Somebody had indicated that if there's like a change in light, that can cause the wipers to go. Did it once, and then it doesn't sense anything, so it has not done it since. So he removed one of the pieces of tape we have on the center camera, and now you can see that was enough to get the wipers to work again. Try lightly. Yeah, like that. there we go. We have like a gentle sprinkle. This is at auto option 2, so yeah, it is.
Oopsie. Need a new camera.
Might have got the a little wet too. Oh, it's spraying everywhere. So now we're a little, yeah, still taking this, as you can see, it's taking a lot of water. Sometimes it's going, sometimes it's not. That's a little more consistent. But we do have one of the camera, the camera is still partially covered. So we'll have him go ahead and take off the tape. We'll have him take off the tape and try that again. Turn down the volume of water a little bit so that, let's see, yeah, it's a little lighter. It's still working. And then again, this is auto option 2. I'll turn it down now to auto option 1. Gentle sprinkle. Still working pretty well. Much better than yesterday with that lighter amount of water. It does say that, you know, a light mist or a drizzle. We're trying to get it as light as possible. Oh, just kidding. So right now, option 1. It's still a pretty not heavy rain, but pretty lighter. As you can see now, we're getting a lot of water, and we're just doing it intermittently. It's not running the wipers here as often. That's again at option 1. We'll change it to option 2. Let this lighter amount of rain, it's not as consistent. I think, you know, if I was driving, well then again, if I'm driving, the water would probably be going up the windshield, so it might be something we should test next time, is to actually have the car running.
Okay, so there you go. Hopefully that makes a little bit more sense, especially going off what we talked about yesterday. Obviously more water definitely helped get those windshield wipers moving. So I don't know, it could have been a combination of that between having it in drive, not having just a flat wall in front of it, having some other things going on, some other light. I don't know, there's so many different things that we did differently this time, but it is great to see that they are working. Again though, they are in beta, so I do expect them to still work, but not probably as reliably as when they are not in beta. But either way, still super excited to see this is being pushed out. Everyone's been wanting it forever. Elon's been talking about it for a long time. So definitely super excited. Let me know down in the comment section below what your experience has been with the auto wipers, if you've actually done it in real rain. Unfortunately right now, probably not going to get any rain here for a while. So maybe some snow, but not some rain. So as soon as we get some snow though, I'll test it out, do another video then. So yeah, if you are looking for a Tesla though, definitely feel free to check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you are looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which currently that is the only way to get that, is to use a referral code. We are still gunning for that next gen Roadster too, so if you do use our code, definitely send me an email through the website. That way I have your contact information, so that when we take delivery, we can either have you guys come out, or we can try to meet up with you on our road trip, because really without your guys' support, none of this would really be possible. So really want to say thank you so much. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video though, and the extra rain that we brought with the hose. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.